We'll guide you through how to change the YouTube country and language settings. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on YouTube. So for whatever reason you want to go and change the language and location settings. Perhaps currently YouTube is in the wrong language and you don't understand it, or you believe it's set to the wrong location. Or perhaps you just prefer using a different language and it's not the sort of primary language where you live, so it's quite unusual to have set, which is why you want to go and change it. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. Or perhaps you're going to move country, which is why you're trying to go and change the location. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this. And you can do this whether you're currently logged in. You can go and know you're logged in because in the top right, you'll go and see your profile icon and also the create button. Whereas if you're not logged in, let me show you how it will look. You'll go and see that you'll go and say sign in the top right. But it doesn't matter whether you're currently signed in or not, you can still go and change it. So if you can't understand it as well, don't worry, we'll guide you through what you need to click. So let's go and get started with changing the location. What you need to do is if you're currently signed in, you'll be pressing your profile icon. Whereas if you're not signed in, what you need to do is go to the top right and you can go and press the three dots, which is settings. But you're going to find these three dots isn't available when you're signed in. It's slightly different, but click there if you're not signed in. And then what you can do is go down and you can find the option for location. So it is the fifth option and it's also got this little world icon. So what you can do is go and click there and you can then go and see all the different locations. So you can scroll down and find the one you want to go and use. I could go and select Turkey, for example. It's important to note just by changing the location, that doesn't go and change the language. We'll cover that in a moment. If you're currently signed in, then to go and change it, the location, let's come back here. Go to the top right and you can go and press on your profile icon. Then you can go down and find the option for location and you can go and click there. And then you can browse through here and go and choose your location. So perhaps you want to move to Egypt, you could then go and select that there, like so. You go and see it refreshes. As I said, it won't go and change the language when doing this. So when it comes to changing the language, we'll do that for when you're not signed in. Let's come back here. You need to go to the top right and you can go and press the three dots. And then you want to go down and you need to find display language. You can go and click there. That is the third option and it's going to have this little language icon. As you can see, it's got the little symbol there. So go and click on it and then you can scroll down and you can go and choose the language here. So let's go and say I want to go and change it to Espanol here. I could go and select it and it's now gone and changed it. So as you can see, it's now gone and changed. So let's go and say I went and press subscriptions to the left. It's important to note that you may go and find that the YouTube videos titles are not going to be translated as that's how they're typed, but the main YouTube interface is. And if you want to go and do this where you are currently signed in, let's go and switch. Go to the top right and go and press on your profile icon. Then you want to go down and go and find the option for display language. So it's in this section here and it's the second option here and it's got the little icon as I showed you before. Click on it and what you can do is go and find the language you want. You can scroll through. Let's go and say I want to go and change it to German here. I'll go and select it. It'll go and refresh and here we are. You are going to find the YouTube titles aren't translated, but everything else is. You may go and see some videos that are in German as well. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.